Hey guys, so today we are doing a shampoo, hydration treatment, and silk press to my natural client. Her hair is actually a little bit below her shoulders. We cut her into a bob some time ago and it has grown back out, and her hair is in absolutely amazing condition. So to start, we're going to be using our Herbal Detox shampoo. This is going to serve as our clarifying shampoo. But the good thing about our Herbal Detox shampoo is that it does not strip the hair of its natural oils. And it is infused with organic activated charcoal. Yes. So cleansing properties on fleek. But for our main shampoo, we'll be using our newest collection, which is our African Goddess collection. This is a limited edition collection. It will be available coming soon, which is either the end of November or December. And this collection is infused with Jamaican black castor oil, which is absolutely amazing for strengthening, growth, hair repair, and retention. Now, for our treatment shampoo, we went ahead and started with the African Goddess shampoo. But if you guys notice, the sink is full of suds and soap. Why? Because our cleaning factors in our shampoos are absolutely amazing, and a little bit goes a very long way. So for the water temperature, I am using warm water, especially for the shampoo process. And then for the conditioner, I will be using cool water to seal or close the cuticle. Now, after the shampoo, which is the first shampoo, that's when you want to go ahead and go in with your treatment shampoo, as I said before, which is the African Goddess shampoo. It is infused once again with black castor oil. It is great for those of you who are looking to revive or restore your hair, especially if it is damaged, or maybe you're one of those people where you don't really take good care of your hair. This shampoo and conditioning system is amazing for that hair, regardless if you are natural or relaxed. And as I said before, this is a limited edition collection. Now, after I finally got all of those suds out of the sink and allowed that sudding to go down, that is when I put on our African Goddess conditioner, okay, which is our power conditioner. You'll place it on the hair, and if you notice, I always start at the ends first, and then I go ahead and distribute the conditioner throughout the remainder of the hair. Conditioner technically needs to be on the hair itself. Once the conditioner touches the hair and you start with your hydration treatment, that is typically when, of course, it will go onto the scalp and you'll be able to nourish the scalp as well. Now, for our hydration system, we're using our newest handheld hydration machine. This machine is basically filled with distilled water, and you will turn it on and then wait about a minute to maybe 2 minutes for the actual hydration or steam to start. And then you are able to directionalize it to wherever you need it on the head. The good thing about this machine is that it is handheld and it does not require you to have a lot of storage space for it. You can set it under your counter, and the actual treatment itself is very, very quick. It usually lasts no more than about 5 to 10 minutes or until the water is finished in the canister. I can tell you guys right now, firsthand, that this allows the detangling process to be so simple, so easy. The hair feels so hydrated when you are done that you do not have to do another treatment from there. Of course, I always move the hair around, and I really focus on the ends of the hair because that is typically where you lose the most moisture or require the most hydration anyway. Now, once you have completed the hydration treatment, you are going to go ahead and detangle the hair. Guys, you see how easy her hair is detangling in some spots. I'm not going to say all spots. But now is when you want to go ahead and detangle it while the hair is nice and pliable and hydrated. That conditioner has done what it's needed to do. It is infused in the hair. And then you will go ahead and rinse the hair with cool or cold water. Now, for her hair, because it's extremely dense, I did have to separate it and detangle the back a little bit more than I did the front. But you get the concept. And of course, you want to make sure you're using a wide tooth comb for the detangle process. Now you're going to go ahead and rinse the conditioner with your cool or cold water, preferably cold water. But if you're in the northern states, cold water is like needles. So cool water will be just fine. And once you rinse it, you want to make sure that you rinse all of the conditioner out of the hair. Do not leave any behind, as this is not a leave-in conditioner. It is made for you to be able to condition and rinse. Now, once you've completed the conditioning process, you will definitely use the leave-in conditioner, which is our African Goddess collection leave-in conditioner. And you'll go ahead and spray that on the hair and hold your hand at least 6 to 8 inches away from the head. You don't want to be too close to the hair when you put your leave-in conditioner on. And then you'll go ahead and just rub it through the hair. Now that her hair is nice and dry, we're going to go ahead and go on with the silk press process. So we'll start with our Goddess Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum. This serum is my go-to serum for any silk press. It is also a heat protectant on the hair, and it allows for that hair to have this amazing sheen or luster, but at the same time protect the hair from any type of external heat elements, such as your flat iron or even your curling iron. Now, I do not apply the Frizz Tamer on the hair before I blow dry. I apply it after. So we're going to start by flat ironing her nape area, which you can use a small flat iron or even a hot comb. And then you will go through and begin silking the hair. Now, in her case, we are doing what we call a textured press. So we are going to be silking and curling at the same time. And I'm going to use my Babyliss Prima iron to do so. This is actually just going to be where we're just going to do a curl and press at the exact same time. So instead of us pressing it out first, we're going to curl it first. Now, if your client needs a trim, depending on how well the hair is silked when you're curling, you can also do the trim at the end. In her case, she did not need a trim, so we're just going to just do the curling. Now, if you guys notice, these curls are being done with a flat iron, and it is also very or at most seamless. And the hair has this beautiful shine to it without us adding tons of product. I only added the Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum at this point in the process. I have not put any other external styling products or any type of other glossifiers on her hair for this part of the process. The Frizz Tamer will suffice for all of this. So it has more purpose than just heat protectant. It is adding that luster once the hair is touched with that thermal iron. And the hair looks amazing. You hear me? Amazing. Now, our African Goddess collection is infused with black castor oil, which is another great thing for the hair because it is also depositing those rich natural oils and essential oils into the hair at the same time. So, as I always say, the process of hair care starts at the bowl or at your sink, not after you shampoo and condition. So I highly suggest making sure or reevaluating your hair care regimen. If you're not using quality products such as ours, I would definitely say go ahead and grab the products that you need from our website, which is EliteHairCareUSA.com. Now, for the curling process, this will just continue throughout the entirety of the head. This iron, I can tell you, makes it a little bit easier for me to curl and press at the same time because it is a titanium plate. But if you recall, I always say it's better to use ceramic at home, especially if you're going to be using that iron more than once per week. I would not recommend using that iron for daily styling. It's very, very hot. It's actually 465 degrees, kind of hot. So once you complete your curls, that is when you will be able to either wear it curly or you can wrap it up and allow those curls to kind of relax slightly or to remove some of that volume from the hair, which is exactly what we're going to do with my client here after we finish the curl process. Now, by all means, you can wear your hair this way if you choose. Of course, for her, she wanted volume, but she did not want tons of volume. So in her case, we did comb them out and then wrap her for about 10 minutes under the dryer. And that is when she came out with the end result, which you guys will get to see in just a moment. Just a heads up for those of you that have not already done so, please go and hit that subscribe button by subscribing to my channel. You're basically telling YouTube how great I'm doing and what kind of work I'm in videos and content that I'm giving you guys, which is extremely important. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My IG name is Elite Hair Care USA, just like my YouTube name. Okay? So that little PSA was right in there. And then, of course, you guys know Black Friday is coming up. Black Friday sale, Black Friday sale, Black Friday sale, where everything will be 60% off, excluding our tools. But during the Black Friday sale, when I tell you, get online early, guys. We have quadrupled our inventory to ensure that you can get what products you need. But even when we quadruple our inventory, our clients end up quadrupling after, and orders typically or products typically fly off the shelf. on that special day. So please don't forget, the Black Friday sale begins at midnight this coming November 27th, 2020. Listen, we have so much going on. And then, of course, Cyber Monday will be right after that. And we'll be having an amazing Cyber Monday sale as well, where all of our serums will be on sale for $10 on Cyber Monday. So you'll be able to get that as well. In the meantime, I'm going to complete curling her hair, which I decided to just put in the entirety of almost me curling everything. I don't know why, ask me again. But I did, so you guys can see how the hair looks all the way throughout. No retouching on any of our videos, so this is just raw footage of her natural hair. Now, of course, we did wrap her hair using a little bit of just the brush and a processing cap to kind of loosen her curls, but we didn't want to deplete the curls in its entirety. And then we just comb her through, and she is ready to go. So you guys take note, watch this luster. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please don't forget to shop our Black Friday sale. Thanks for watching.